Hi dear, welcome to Skill Up channel. In this brief tutorial I'm going to show you how to add TubeBuddy extension on YouTube channel. To do that, just open your browser. Then type TubeBuddy. Then press enter. Then click on this link here. In this page, click on Install Free Now. Click here Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. As you see, it's downloading. Now close these tabs and open YouTube channel. Now you need to sign in, so to do that, click here. Here, check the agreement box. And click on Sign in with YouTube. Select your Google account. Click on Allow. You are done. Now let's check it. As you see, it's working properly. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of videos, so please subscribe Skill Up channel and give a thumbs up to this video and share this video with your friends. If you had any question, feel free, please leave your comment in description in below. Thank you. See you in the next video. Peace.